Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can create a delivery challan on TranZact for outwarding goods. So first of all, you need to go to all modules and then after click on sales and purchase. Once you will come in sales and purchase, this is one of my transaction which is created. I will open this particular transaction. Now, after creating OC, I can create challan. Direct challan is not available. Once you will create the OC, in order to outward the material, you can create the challan. How? Right hand side, you will see an option of create document. Click on this. Now here is the delivery challan option. So this is how delivery challan format will look like. Now please check on your right hand side. Here are the details. Here you can go ahead and select the transporter name, and accordingly, if the transporter master is created in your settings module, it will come here. Transporter document number and remaining details you can mention here. Now going below, so this is the item of my OC coming from my OC. Now suppose if I want to add any additional material like a fastener, it is called the knockdown and semi knockdown functionality, which will not be included in the invoice. How I can add it? Now click on add item. Here I will just go ahead and add one of the rod. So it will go in one quantity and the price will be 0. Now go below here. If there are any extra charges, I can attach it. Now the email recipient term and condition will be there. It will be fetched from the OC document. After that, I can save it as draft or save and send. So click on save and send and the delivery challan is created. I hope this video will be helpful to you in order to create the delivery challan. Have a good day ahead.